Multi-class logistic regression in scikit-learn. I am having trouble with the proper call of scikit's logistic regression for the multi-class case. I am using the LBGFS solver, and I do have the multi_class parameter set to multinomial. It is unclear to me how to pass the true class labels in fitting the model. I had assumed that it was same as for the random forest classifier multiclass, where you pass n_samples, m_classes, data frame. However, in doing this, I get an error that the data is of a bad shape. Value error, bad input shape, 25. In this tiny example, there were 5 classes, 20 samples. On inspection, the documentation for the fit method says that the truth values are passed as n_samples, which matches the error I'm getting. However, I have no idea then how to train the model with multiple classes. So, this is my question: how do I pass the full set of class labels to the fit function? I've been unable to find sample code on the internet to model, nor this question on Stack Overflow. But I feel certain someone must know how to do it. In the code below, train_features equals n_samples, nn_features, truth_train equals n_samples, m_classes.
You seem to be confusing terms multi-class and multi-label, this URL, in short. Multi-class classification means a classification task with more than 2 classes, e.g., classify a set of images of fruits which may be oranges, apples, or pears. Multi-class classification makes the assumption that each sample is assigned to one and only one label. A fruit can be either an apple or a pear, but not both at the same time. Thus data is n_samples, n_features, and labels are n_samples. Multi-label classification assigns to each sample a set of target labels. This can be thought as predicting properties of a data point that are not mutually exclusive, such as topics that are relevant for a document. A text might be about any of religion, politics, finance, or education at the same time, or none of these. Thus data is n_samples, n_features, and labels are n_samples, n_labels. And you seem to be looking for multi-label, as for multi-class labels should be 1dim. Currently, in scikit-learn, the only methods supporting multi-label are decision trees, random forests, nearest neighbors, ridge regression. If you want to learn multi-label problem with different model, simply use onOfsRest classifier as a multi-label wrapper around your logistic regression. This URL
Isn't your time?